Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create an album on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to create an album on your Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after that, to create an album, you'll be required to go to your profile. Now to enter or go to your profile, tap on the profile picture icon on the top left corner of the screen, tap over there, and when you scroll down, uh, just below the friends you may know, you can see the photos option available over here. Tap on photos. Let's go again. Let's tap on photos, and after that you can see the albums over here. Tap on albums. Now if you want to create an album, just simply tap on create album like this, and pictures or whatever the name you want to give, and create. And after that, this is empty. If you want to add a picture, you can see the add photos or videos over here. You can choose and put whatever you like onto that album like this. And next, and if you want to create a post, if you can post it, and if you want to arrange it in a frame, you can do this. And after that, let's post it, and the album will be created like this, and it will take a time to load. And you can see it has been already created. These are the pictures we uploaded to the album. And there guys, this is how to create an album on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.